front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you will locate the mobile hotspot toggle somewhere on the first page of the toggles. There are 2 pages, so that's what I'm saying, on the first page. So that's where you can find it. Once you have, the first time around, you want to hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you will have a couple info, like for instance the name of the network it will create, and more importantly, the password. Password is randomly generated, so I do recommend always changing it, because number one, it's not very user friendly, and number two, just set up your own. So let's select configure, and you can change the network name if you want to, or shorten it, or do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna shorten it, but you don't have to do anything. Just keep in mind the name. It always starts with the name of the device by default. So in this case, it is Galaxy S22. And then we have below password. So I'm gonna remove this one and set my own. There we go. It needs to have 8 characters in length. And below that, we have also a P-band. So we have a choice between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. For some reason, we don't have 6 at all. And in here, if you're not sure what the device you will be connecting to this hotspot with supports, I recommend changing it to 5 gigahertz. And if you enable your hotspot and you just simply don't see the hotspot at all, as though it's not even on, that means that the device you're trying to connect with simply does not support 5 gigahertz, and all you need to do is drop it back to 2.4. But I still recommend checking it out, just because the 5 gigahertz hotspot will be a faster and more stable connection, so it does have its benefits. And under advanced, we just have a couple additional settings. We actually do have Wi-Fi 6 right here supported, so we can turn that on if you have any device that supports it, though right now there isn't very many of them. And is there anything else that I would recommend right here? Yeah, I don't think there's anything else worth mentioning in here, apart from maybe this one. As you can see, we have the option to turn off hotspot automatically when there's no device connected for about 20 minutes. I would probably change it to 10. 20 seems a little bit excessive, and running your hotspot in the background, even though you're not doing anything, will drain your battery quicker, so I would prefer to have that on a shorter timer, just personal preference. So anyway, from here, let's select save, and we can toggle it on immediately from here, assuming, there we go. Okay, so as you've seen, we just toggled it on, and there's also a way to toggle it on from the notifications, and also that is where you can turn it off once you're done with it. So this is how you could set up your hotspot, use it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.